Hello, my name is Professor Al Grocha, and I'm your instructor for STA2023 Statistical Methods, RTV. That RTV stands for Real-Time Virtual. Now, we'll have our first class meeting, and I'll go over everything you need to know on the first day of class, but I just wanted to say hello and welcome to the course and let you know to get to the first day, we'll be meeting on Zoom. So when you enter the course, our course meets on Monday, Wednesdays from 8:30 to 9:45. I would suggest to try to go a little early. I'll be there an hour before, make sure everything works, but you'll enter the course by going into Canvas. So log into Canvas, go into our Canvas course, click on Zoom, and then you'll see to join each class, you'll have the buttons right there. If there's any issues, I've also included the direct link to Zoom to get in for the first day. But really, I'd want you to go to Zoom and click on Join for each class. That's how you'll enter the Zoom. But if you want to get ahead a little bit, please go through the course, check everything out. Notice when you go to Home, you have the course schedule, the grading scale, all of your chapters are here, test reviews. Click, click, go around, and I would recommend by going to Start Here. And when you go to Start Here, bring you to the modules, you can go through, read through the syllabus, check out the policies, and you can go ahead and actually get started on your first assignments. But again, I'll go over everything on the first day of class, everything you need on the first day of class. Don't worry about purchasing anything ahead of time unless you want to. And again, if you go to syllabus or the orientation module, everything you need for the course is clearly listed in the syllabus. Ways to contact me. The entire semester is all available to you, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out by going into Canvas and messaging me through Canvas. But again, we'll go through everything on the first day of class. I just wanted to welcome you to the class. Then thank you for taking the course.